Good day and welcome to my channel. This is the best fashion tutorials. If you are new here, we welcome you especially, and if you are a returning member, I want to thank you so much for coming by. So right now we're going to be creating this amazing style on your screen. You will need a fabric like this that will be very long to give you what you want, and you need hemming gum also to create the styles. So right now we are cutting the hemming gum into how many pieces we need. So right now you see I created a fold, so we put the hemming gum in it. Make sure it's up to like 3 inches, so you will have an allowance at the top. So right now we've created the first print. You turn to the back and iron it. Please pay close attention to the process. It's a simple process, but if you make mistakes, you won't like the outcome. So right now I'll be using 1 inch for the gaps. So make sure each one is up to 1 inch and maintain the same allowance all through. You put a hemming gum again and we'll cover it. Take your time, guys, don't rush it. Do it well so that you have a very good outcome. We repeat the same process again continuously until we get what we want, or we get the number we want. So as you can see, guys, it's pretty easy, pretty simple. So guys, while you are watching this, I would like you to do 2 things for me. First of all, if you've not subscribed, I want you to subscribe, turn on your notification bell, so that whenever I post new content like this, you'll be the first to be notified. Then secondly, I would like you to like this video. Click on the like it and share it with your friends. Like it, guys, and then post a comment for me. Just tell me what you feel about the video. I would like to hear from you, and I will reply every single comment that I get on this channel. So guys, let me hear from you. Let me hear what you think. So that's it for now. I fast forward it, and here I'm done with it. Done with the printings. You notice I gave gap above and gap below so that you have an allowance to sew it. So right now I will fold it into 2 to get the center line. So make sure your printings are equal, like their lines are following each other. Then you create the center line, and then we'll now go ahead to be placing it on our material. First of all, you get your material, which is the shirt, and then we'll be marking out the place you want the design to be. So you place your tip and measure how many inches you want it. For this video, I want it to be at 5 inches, which is making 10 when opened. And then the length, I just want it to be at the end of the print. So right now I'll measure it out properly, mark it out and cut it out. So guys, just take your time, do this carefully, especially if it's your first time, because if you rush it you won't enjoy it. So now cut this out, and then make sure you don't throw away this front piece that we are cutting out, because we'll use it later on. And then we now put our hairstay or gum canvas, depends on what you call it, all around the edges. Also, we'll be putting the hairstay on the main design we created. Also, there'll be a hairstay behind it to prevent the hemming gum from scattering when washed. You know, it's just hemming gum we put inside, and if we sew it like that, it will scatter after the design has been washed a few times. So the hairstay is what will hold it from scattering. So that is very, very important. So right now we create notches at the edges, the two edges, like half inch or quarter inch, depends on what you want. And then we'll fold the edges. So we can insert the design. We don't want to top stitch on the design. We want to insert it so that it will look very clean and very neat and very attracting. So guys, if you're not following me on my WhatsApp, I have a WhatsApp group where we discuss styles, where we have tailors. It's only for tailors. In that group, if you have any style that is disturbing you, you can post it there. We'll tackle it and we'll give you a response. I'll be dropping the link to the WhatsApp group in the description below. So guys, click on it, join the group. I would like to hear from you. Thank you. Once again, if you've not subscribed, please guys, subscribe guys, please. Watch this video, recommend it to your friends. Thank you. So right now, we'll be fixing hemming gum all around to make sure it doesn't scatter while we take it to the machine. So this is now where you will need that the front piece you cut earlier that I asked you to keep safe. So now you place it center to center using the center line, and then you give a gap. The same gap you used in folding your edges is what you maintain here, which is half inch. And then we now put our hemming gum. So to the best of our knowledge, we are still maintaining the size of the shirt, because it's just a half inch we removed that we replaced back here. So you arrange your hemming gum quietly and carefully. Make sure it doesn't show outside, because if it shows outside, it will be showing some stains on the shirt. So we stick it together, we hem it. We'll be doing the same thing all around. We hem it all around the clothes so that everywhere we will be smart. So guys, please comment on this video. I'd like to hear from you. I'd like to hear your comments. I'd like to respond to your comments, each and every one of you. Please guys, try and be commenting guys. I want to talk with you. I also want to know where you're watching me from, whether my videos have been helpful to you or not. If it has not, you tell me. If it has, you tell me. If there's anything you want me to improve on my video quality or anything, you also let me know, guys. I'd like to hear from you. So right now we'll trace out the shirt measurement, which is using that front that we cut out. We'll retrace back our neck and the shoulder. Trace it back carefully so that our measurement will not be altered. And then after that, we'll go ahead to be sewing it on the machine. So now, we'll first of all open up all the hemming gums carefully, so that we'll have so that it will not be glued to the fabric. We want to sew it from inside. So we'll carefully open it out, separate it from the main cloth before we now start our stitching. So now the sewing will sew directly on the folding line, exactly on the folding line. So now we've sewn it inside, we don't need to sew it outside again. After this, the cloth will be good to go. Alright, thank you guys for staying with me to this very moment. Right now we are done with creating of the styles. Now is the ironing. Make sure you press it with a pressing rag. Sprinkle water on it so that it will lie down flat. So I would like you to click on this video right here so we'll continue our classes. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial to the very end. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. You're the reason why we do what we do. Thank you so much and see you in the next class. Bye for now.